Now here is how we can change the Yahoo Mail password in Android phone. So let me explain it, and if you're new here, subscribe so you don't miss videos like this one. So of course you need to be signed in inside of the app, make sure that everything is working, but I'm gonna get inside of the Yahoo Mail and just come back to the main section. So this is where we are, and in order to change the password, you need to click on your profile in the top left as such and proceed to the settings. Right, so part of the settings you can tap on manage accounts, and you can have multiple accounts even, right? So if you have more of them, you have to select the one you want to change the password of, but I only have one, but I'm gonna click on account info. So this is what I can see, another set of menus, but this time we want to go to the security. Now, if you have a passcode set up on your phone like I do, I need to actually scan my finger in here to get inside, which I did. Now we are inside of this section, and we have some things like the password, phone number, and so on, even two-factor authentication, so plenty of stuff you can manage. But for the password change, just click on the password, and now you can create a new one. So it's explaining to you that, of course, you're not supposed to use like the, something similar to the old one, and it's not supposed to say anything about your personal information. It's for your security and privacy. So you should set up a password which is like a very solid one. You can click on password help, and it's going to guide you to or show you this page where you can see and browse more information about it, like their official support and how you can create a strong one. But that was essentially the whole process of creating it. So I hope that I was able to show it to you and explain how it works. If you found this video useful, hit the thumbs up, subscribe for more tips, and I'll see you later.